Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A 50-kilogram crate starts from rest and achieves a velocity of 4 meters per second when it travels a distance of 5 meters to the right. Determine the magnitude of force P acting on the crate. The force P is applied at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the crate and the ground is μk equals 0.3. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. We are given a 50-kilogram crate starting from rest that reaches 4 meters per second after traveling 5 meters. Force P is applied at 30 degrees above the horizontal, and the kinetic friction coefficient is 0.3. We need to find the magnitude of P. Since acceleration is constant, we use the kinematic equation v squared equals v naught squared plus 2 times a times s. Plugging in 4 squared equals 0 plus 2 times a times 5, we get 16 equals 10a, so the acceleration is 1.6 meters per second squared. Drawing the free body diagram, we have weight acting downward, normal force upward, P applied at 30 degrees, and kinetic friction opposing motion to the left. Since there is no vertical acceleration, the sum of vertical forces equals 0. This gives us the normal force, N equals 490.5 minus 0.5 times P. In the horizontal direction, the net force equals mass times acceleration. P cosine 30 minus the friction force equals 50 times 1.6. Substituting our expression for N and expanding the friction term, we get 0.866 P minus 147.15 plus 0.15 P equals 80. Collecting the P terms on the left side gives 1.016 P equals 227.15. Dividing both sides by 1.016, we find P is approximately 223.6 newtons. Verification. With P equal to 223.6 newtons, the normal force is 378.7 newtons, friction is 113.6 newtons, and the net horizontal force is 80 newtons, which equals mass times acceleration of 80 newtons. The answer checks out. The magnitude of force P is approximately 223.6 newtons. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.